The 2025 Sherco 300 SE Racing emerges as a meticulously designed and highly capable enduro machine, positioned within the Sherco lineup as a performance-oriented option that bridges the gap between the standard models and the top-tier factory editions. This motorcycle is crafted for riders who demand a high level of performance and quality components straight from the factory, without necessarily requiring the extreme, competition-focused features found on the limited edition Xtrem models. The Sherco 300 SE Xtrem 2025 bursts onto the hard enduro scene as a sharply focused and highly capable machine, directly inspired by the extreme enduro motorcycles campaigned by factory riders like Mario Roman and Teodor Kabakchev. This limited edition model, with only 200 units slated for worldwide production, isn't just a standard enduro bike with a few bolt-on extras. It's a meticulously curated package of premium components and race-proven features designed to tackle the most demanding and technical terrain imaginable.